Hi guys, and welcome back to Crypto Chester. Today I'm going to give you a BTC update on the 1 hour time frame. I'm going to be touching on the 4 hour as well. I'm not going to keep you guys too long. Let's get straight deep down and dirty into the charts and see how I'm going to be trading this today. Straight away you can see that we are playing in this range like so, guys. You can see that we're playing inside of this range. You can see the top side, the upward sloping trend line that we've got coming through from here in terms of resistance, where we did come up violently yesterday after testing that. You can see we actually got slammed down with a hell of a lot of momentum, right? The momentum is so strong. We're actually seeing a potential breakdown of this chart pattern as well. If this is going to happen, guys, which we're currently seeing right now, if this is going to actually have continuation, it's not just going to be a trap to the downside, then I would expect some sort of move to the downside looking like so, right? The measure move that I have drawn for this is going to be like this, guys. It's going to be like this, and I'm going to basically be moving that to the edge of this chart pattern where we have broken. It is around a 7.61% move, so it's definitely something that I don't want to be missing out on here. The way that I'm going to be trading this right now, we did just see the hourly candle body close, and it was above this box area, guys. This box area is a massive, massive level of support. You can see that we have tested this multiple times in levels of support. You can see these wicks here, guys. Really crucial stuff, because this basically indicates that we're going to have some upwards momentum right now, okay? It basically indicates that we're going to come up and we're going to potentially test this trend line that we have actually broke to the lower side, right? If this is going to come to fruition, what I am going to be looking for here is some sort of double top here on the shorter term timeframes, and then a bearish reversal, so some sort of lower high scenario coming through, and then we're going to be looking for that continuation down. This is where I'm going to be entering my short position, and I'm going to be having my first take profit probably around 18,670, and then second take profit is clearly going to be where we just saw this candle body close here, and that's going to be sat around 18,626. The reasoning for this is, guys, is because once we hit our first take profit or our second take profit, we take our stop loss, and we move it to our entry point, right? And that basically means if we do get a filthy reverse on, because obviously we know how trappy Bitcoin is, we're going to be prepared for this. Our stop loss is going to be back at entry, and we've already taken profit twice or so. So that basically means it's going to be a successful trade no matter what. Now, if we are going to have continuation, the money here is just absolutely ridiculous. You can see the prices on the right-hand side. These are all going to be take profits of mine. 18.3, 18.2, 18.1, 18, 17.60 is obviously the low of the bear market right now. So that's going to be a very crucial area. If we do break that low, it's going to be absolutely horrific for Bitcoin. So that's definitely something I really would be looking out for there. Going to be jumping across to the RSI right now, because very crucial stuff on the RSI, guys. You can see this downward sloping support line, which we have tested multiple times here. I think like 7 times. We're on the 7th test right now, guys. So this is very crucial. We have actually seen a potential break right now on the RSI. This could indicate more selling pressure because we have lost this level of support. If this is going to come into fruition here, the area that I really would be looking for and really would be watching out for there is going to be the most recent low that we have seen previously, guys. And that's going to be sat at around 15, right? It's going to be sat around 15. So if we do come down to that, we can be using the RSI as a reference to how low Bitcoin will go. And if that is going to be pretty solid, I would say this volume weighted ATR band, this little green bad boy here, we know how reactive this is in terms of support. So this is definitely going to be something that I really would be looking for here, guys, if we are going to be seeing Bitcoin start tanking it down, right? Because when it tanks it down very fast, it tends to usually find the volume weighted ATR band somewhere, and then the level of support is given. So this is the area that I'm looking for there for a potential take profit. That's going to be bang on 18K there. Very interesting stuff. Now also the MACD, guys, I would expect some upwards momentum, just to see some sort of lower high get formed again from this colossal dump that we have just seen. But right now we are still very far away from any sort of trend reversal here, so really don't get your hopes up for any sort of bullish momentum in terms of confirmed uptrends. Now also the directional movement index, guys, let's jump onto that very quickly, because you can see we did have that bearish crossover coming through. Literally yesterday there, you can see we had that bearish crossover coming through there. You can see the ADX very high, guys. This indicates how strong the trend is going to be at around 42 there. We know that's very crucial stuff. So it indicates right now with that going up that it's going to be a very strong downtrend. So there's a few things on the short term that I want you guys to be keeping an eye on today. But just going to be jumping to the long term. midterm ever so quickly here. Don't want to keep you guys too long. I'm going to aim for around 5-6 minutes for this video. You can see previously what we have seen here for Bitcoin, falling parallel channel here. You can see we actually saw a break to the upside here. This is the measure move, guys. Very strong stuff. You can see the completion of the measure move at around 8.35%. So well done to anyone who did long that massive pump. And you can see straight away reversal, V-shaped recovery, horrific stuff coming through. Bart Simpson on the shorter term timeframes as well. You can see we lost the point of control on the VPVR. What I would expect now, if we are going to see the continuation of this downwards momentum here, I would expect a test of this low, and that's going to be currently sat around 18,139, and that is going to be also a test of this very, very crucial downward sloping, potentially support line as well, which we did actually bang up from before. So I would expect if we did dump down here, I want to see a nice bounce off 18. But that's going to be it from me. If you did like the content, smash a like on that bad boy. It does help me out tremendously. I'm going to try and get daily updates out to you guys now, really short videos like this, so you can watch them all the way through and leave me your opinion of what you think and how you're going to be trading Bitcoin for the day. But if you like the content, smash a like on that, and also turn the notifications on so you never miss any of my videos. But for now, it's going to be peace out and goodbye from me, Crypto Chester.